Hello, my name is Julio Cano. I'm a student in English course 2, and today I'll explain three key topics. 1. Connectors. Result is connections. 2. Comparative adjective. Types and structures. 3. Superlative adjective. Types and structures. Let's get started. Connectors. Result connectors show a consequence. Some of them are so as a result. Example, it got rainy, so we stayed home. Example, she studied hard. As a result, she passed the exam. Condition connectors expresses requirement. Some of them are if, only. Example, if you practice, you'll improve. Example, you went suicide only if you try. Comparative adjective. Then compare to things. Structure. Short adjective is used her. Example, is taller than her. And long adjective is used more. Example, the painting is more beautiful than the one. Superlative adjective. They show the headset the tree. Structure. Short adjective is used as example, she is the tallest in class. Long adjective is used most. Example, this is the most expensive car. Good. And that's it for today. I hope the lesson helped you. Remember to practice the rules. Thanks for watching and see you next time.